In an era where bold designs dominate the stage, Raymond Weil takes a graceful step back, introducing the Toccata heritage, a timepiece that whispers sophistication rather than shouting for attention. Following the success of the Millesime collection, Raymond Weil, though a relatively young brand founded in 1976, continues to honor classical watchmaking traditions. The new Toccata heritage revives the golden age of shaped watches, drawing inspiration from the elliptical cases of the 1960s and 70s, a form once cherished by the likes of Patek Philippe, Vacheron Constantin, and Universal Genève. It's a design language that feels both nostalgic and refreshingly modern. At just 6.95 millimeters thick, the stainless steel case is as refined as it gets, compact at 33 by 38 millimeters, yet full of personality. The choice of adding slender lugs rather than a lugless construction gives it a subtle presence on the wrist. It's polished throughout, with the option of a rose gold PVD finish for a warmer, more luxurious tone. Up top, a curved sapphire crystal mirrors the watch's gentle contours. Beneath it, a sunray-brushed dial, in silver, blue, or copper, catches the light with poetic restraint. Minimal text, no date, only slim Dauphine hands and polished markers. Pure simplicity, the way a true dress watch should be. Inside beats the caliber RW 4100, a hand wound movement based on the reliable Sellita SW210-1. Operating at 28,800 vibrations per hour, it delivers a 45-hour power reserve, and its slim profile explains the Toccata's elegant thinness. Through the oval crystal caseback, you'll find blue screws, brushed bridges, and clean, functional finishing, a quiet nod to Swiss craftsmanship. The Raymond Weil Toccata heritage isn't just another shaped dress watch. It's a statement of refined taste. Available in steel from €1,495 or in gold P50 at €1,625, it offers an attainable entry into true elegance, without compromising heritage, design, or mechanical integrity. In a world of noise, the Toccata heritage speaks softly, and that's precisely what makes it sing.